Namaskar dosto. Today is 26th May 2021. Welcome to my channel Tradeplan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty, review my today's trade, share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into analogy, as usual, let's first get into global market. So S&P 500 is forming a green candle, and everything here looks all right. So definitely a good sign. US government 10 bond yield is almost at the bottom, which is at 1.55. So this is also a very good sign for overall equity market globally. So far so good. And when we look into dollar index, dollar index is moving up. So this is where we see that this could be a little problem for a bank nifty tomorrow. So bank nifty is definitely underperforming, and it is in quite stress, and the dollar index moving up will definitely put bank nifty under pressure again tomorrow. Now, with that in the background, let's have a look into how our Lalaji is doing. So Lalaji is like super bull run mood on weekly basis. It is definitely in uptrend, above 8, above 20, above 50, very closer to all time high, and just but definitely overstretch. So this is one area, one thing which we have to remember, that market are currently overstretched, but definitely in uptrend on weekly basis. Now, when we look into daily basis, what we see is that market is forming has closed in green. It is above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200. So definitely an uptrend, and definitely within the consolidation zone as discussed yesterday, which is 15303 and 15190, but looking quite strong, and definitely in uptrend. And now market on monthly basis, on weekly basis, has touched weekly H3 today. Now on 15-minute chart, what we see is the market giving a consistent signal. It has closed today above 20, above 50, just below it, and definitely above 200. So here also market is in uptrend. So moving averages confirms that the market is in uptrend. Now let's look into market profile. So when we look into market profile, tomorrow's CPR pivot zone is way above today's pivot zone. So this confirms that confirms the bullish nature of the market. So the trend is definitely established as a bullish market. Now, when we look into SGX is currently at 15372. So again a gap up opening, and 15372 is very close to H4 for tomorrow. That it means that already at one corner of the day. So this is not a surprise. This is a repetitive scenario. What we have seen in market. Then market gaps up and gets into one corner. So 15374 is the H4. Pivot for tomorrow is at 15272. So I see a two trade point opportunity. First at the open, 15-minute breakout. If market comes down, then on 15-minute breakout, take a PE position for a target of pivot, or maybe first target of 15303, and then look for a reversal candle here, in reversal in price action, and go for official trade of buy on dip, for maybe again back a target of 15400 or maybe 15431. So tomorrow is an expiry, so could be a very volatile day. uh, Open is definitely above the value and above, out of range and out of value, so could be another trend day. Looks like another trend day. If market on 15-minute breakout goes up, then I don't plan to take that till 15431 is broken. So if market on 15-minute breakout is still going up, then at 15431 could be a good area to short a market for again a target of 15303. So two trade opportunity for two trade plan for me tomorrow. 15-minute breakout going down. I'll take a PE 15,300 PE. So with the target of 15,300. And second trade is official trade is buy on dip, either at 15,300, which is weekly H3 previous day close, 8 bar, 20 bar, so very strong support. If this is broken, then definitely pivot and 15 bar moving average with the stop loss below TC or maybe S1 for a target of 15,400 or 15,431. So that's my trade plan for tomorrow. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's see what happened today. Now for today, our trade plan was with understanding that market is consolidating between 15,300 and 15,160. So idea was to take a trade on any of the corner on the other side. With understanding that when I made a video, the open was within a pivot and within the range. But today market opened above pivot, which confirms the bullish nature of the market, and then the buy and dip was definitely on the card. And after this red bar, we found a perfect setup where exactly at TC previous day close, we found this reversal candle, that is this doji. So there are four reversal candles what you will see in the market, and this is one of them, which is a doji. And doji at the correct position is the right entry, is the right setup, and that's exactly what I did. On this doji, I entered the first lot, and then somewhere around this green bar, when it opened the cross this doji, I entered the second lot, rode the whole wave, and exactly at 15303 or closer to on this green bar, somewhere at previous day high, I exited both the lot. Then I tried to took a experimental PE position, one lot, which I exited immediately because there was nothing much which was happening here. And then I tried to do 15,300 CE. There also nothing was happening much. Then I decided to just come out of the market and stay put. So today is almost on Nifty. I made this 4,400. This is my CE and PE. On Hero Motocorp, I had some exciting day today, where I made around 3,000 rupees. So this is another good story. And I also entered on HDFC Bank and Reliance. So overall, on futures, I had around 7,200 profit. So good day. So what's the learning? Learning is stay focused. This is a time not to make money. This is a time to learn and get my trading skill develop. So don't touch anything else. Just focus on Nifty and trade only on Nifty and take a best trade setup to enter. Have a reason to enter and have a reason to exit, which that reason should come out from the trade setup. Trade, like our guru says, trade what you see, not what you think. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.